Did you know that 90% of people aren't getting enough fiber? And that's a big problem. Fiber isn't just about keeping you regular. It boosts your heart health, balances blood sugar, and even helps you stay full longer. Today, I'm revealing the top 10 fiber-rich foods you need in your diet. Let's start with lentils. Just 1 cup packs 15 grams of fiber. That's half your daily need. Plus, they're loaded with protein. Add them to soups, salads, or even tacos for a gut-friendly punch. Next is chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses give you 10 grams of fiber per ounce. Mix them into yogurt, smoothies, or make chia pudding. They're also rich in omega-3 fatty acid. Number 8 is avocado. Creamy, delicious, and loaded with 10 grams of fiber per cup. Spread it on toast, add it to salads, or just eat it with a spoon. Next is oats. A bowl of oatmeal delivers 8 grams of fiber, and it's packed with beta-glucans to lower cholesterol. Pro tip: top with berries for an extra fiber boost. Don't forget broccoli. 1 cup has 5 grams of fiber, plus cancer-fighting sulforaphane. Roast it, steam it, or toss it in stir-fries. Your gut will love it. Number 5 is apple. It gives you 4.5 grams of fiber with the skin on. They're also rich in pectin, a prebiotic that feeds good gut bacteria. Don't peel them. Next is almonds. A handful has 3.5 grams of fiber and healthy fats. Perfect for snacking, or sprinkle them on oatmeal or salads. Next in our list is quinoa. This gluten-free grain has 5 grams of fiber per cup and all 9 essential amino acids. Swap it for rice and see the magic. Number 2 is sweet potatoes. 1 medium spud has 6 grams of fiber and a mega dose of vitamin A. Bake them, mash them, or turn them into fries. And the number 1 fiber superstar is raspberries. 1 cup has a whopping 8 grams of fiber, more than most fruits. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or eat them by the handful.